I'm here at the heart of Loch Lomond and the Trossachs National Park, and it's absolutely stunning. I'll be spending the night here under the stars, but I'm going to need some help because I don't do camping. Luckily, I have Ranger Jenny here to help me.
Don't worry, Des, I'm going to keep you right.
That is good to hear. Now, I've heard that I might need a permit to camp in certain parts of the national park, so I've gone online and booked one.
You're right, there's a camping bylaw that runs from March through to September, covering some of the popular spots across the park, so it's always best to plan ahead. Let's see if you've got the right permit. Yep, looks good.
We are good to go, and I've just seen a lovely spot right there. It's nice and flat, plenty of space away from the other campers. Should we go and put a tent up?
Yep, let's do it.
Let's do it. See, I told you, this is perfect. Pegs.
Right, peg it there.
Is that good? Oh, Jenny, look at this. What a job we've done.
We have done, yes.
Exactly, that's what I was thinking. Now, couldn't help but noticing no rubbish bins around here. I don't want to leave litter in a lovely place like this, so I've brought a bin bag for all my bits and pieces.
Excellent.
There you go.
Now, just remember, you've got to take this home with you when you leave as well.
Will do, got it.
Okay.
Job done. Look at that.
Securely attached.
Perfect.
Perfect. So, what else have you brought with you?
What else have I brought? So I've got everything we need in here. Look at this.
Let's see it.
Oh, here we go. Oh, but this jigsaw. Take up the time, while away the hours. There you go, all that there. Oh, and you may get hungry again, so I've got some pasta. There you go. And I thought after that, maybe some more pasta. And
Perfect.
then maybe just to finish off, a bit more pasta. There you go.
There's some interesting choices, Des. How are you going to cook this pasta?
Oh, I thought we'd get a wee fire in the go, boil up some water.
I see. If you had a fire here on this ground, you're going to cause damage to the ground. So it's always best to bring a stove.
But I love a campfire.
If you must have a campfire, you've got to try and find a spot that's kind of stony and you're not going to cause so much damage to the ground. Keep it small and supervised and make sure it's completely out when you leave.
That sounds like a lot of hard work for some pasta. Although, luckily, I saw a nice bit of stony ground there. That would be ideal. So I'll just nip in and get some wood from the forest.
Now see, the forest is habitat to all kinds of wee beasties. I mean, even the dead wood has got little beasties in it, and if you cause damage to that, it's going to take ages to regrow. So it's always best to bring your own wood with you or use a stove. Now, fortunately, I brought a stove with me, so you can try mine.
Good idea. Let's do that then. There you go. Much quicker and easier. Now, I know this isn't the most glamorous topic, but later on, where do I go to the toilet out here?
No, you're right, there might not always be a toilet nearby, so it's important to know what to do if nature calls. And if you're going to need a number two, you're going to need some bags and one of these, a trowel.
Now, that doesn't look good.
But it's all pretty simple, really. You just find a spot 30 metres from any watercourse, dig yourself a hole to do your business, cover it over when you're done, and place any used toilet roll in the back. And if the ground's not suitable for digging a hole, you're going to have to take everything away with you.
Oh, I see. Jobby's a good one.
So now all we have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy nature. Remember, when you pack up tomorrow, to leave no trace.
What an awesome way to enjoy this beautiful sight.